Hi sweet things, it's me again, Yulie, your certified healthcare virtual assistant, social media manager, and content creator. And today we're going to talk about the most requested video on my TikTok account, and that is how to create a professional resume. For those people na baguhan pa lang sa YouTube channel ko, I am a registered nurse here in the Philippines with roughly 5 years of experience. When I became a mom, doon na yung nagbago yung mga pananaw ko sa buhay. So I started working from home. And the starting process na, mag-start ka ng work from home, hindi siya madali. Napakahirap po maghanap ng trabaho kahit na may experience ka.
Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell para kapag may bagong video ako, ikaw yung unang makakita.
So, naghanap po ako ng mga company, client, websites na pwedeng maka-offer ng free training and my certificate, doon yung link ni LinkTree.
For those other allied professionals na walang skills and gusto mag-start working from home, I have one video na shinare ko dito yung 2 easy ways on how to get free training with certificate. And if you're interested to watch, please click the iCard on top of my screen.
Which is also the reason why I started my YouTube channel, kasi gusto ko i-share sa inyo yung mga natutunan ko while working from home. And if you want to know more about how to start working from home, nandun din po sa description box yung complete playlist ko about how to start working from home. Now, before we go to the topic, i-share ko muna sa inyo guys yung experience ko nung nag-apply pa ko. As I've said earlier, wala po talaga akong experience about, BPO, like the others na may mga medical billing or medical coding na experience. Wala po talaga ako nung mga ganun. Yung meron lang talaga ako, yung edge ko lang is may years of experience ako as a nurse. Binisita ko po yung website, binasa ko po yung job description, at nag-follow lang talaga ako ng instruction while, applying. Now, bakit ko share sa inyo guys yung experience ko? Tinailor ko muna yung resume ko at saka cover letter ko. Kinompile ko yung mga documents na kailangan at chinek ko po yung mga computer specs na meron ako sa bahay. After ko natapos na gawin lahat yon, doon ako nag-apply. Now, before we start, shout out muna kina I'm going to share to you guys 11 helpful tips on how to create a killer resume, professional resume with or without experience. Now let's go to the topic. Let's define first what is resume.
Resume is a 1 to 2 page document that showcases your
Experience and skills. The first tip in making or creating a killer resume or professional resume is to take note of your skills. Ano yung mga skills na ma-offer nyo sa magiging client nyo? Now, there's 2 kinds of skills. My soft skills and my hard skills. Soft skills, example is communication skills, critical thinking, organization, attention to details, problem solving. Hard skill is bilingual or foreign languages. Let's say may alam kang other languages like alam mo mag-Korean, Japanese, or Spanish. Hard skill po yun. Expert ka of a certain computer software. With marketing, let's say, expert ka in doing digital marketing or social media marketing. With writing, copywriting skills, proofreader, and project management. So, yun po yung mga sample na mga soft skills and hard skills. Now, next tip is read and understand the job description.
Let's say, for example, gusto nyo mag-apply sa LinkTree and you're a medical professional or allied health professional. Titingnan mo sa job description kung ano yung mga hinihingi nilang requirements and ano yung mga skills na hinihingi nila na meron ka.
After reading and understanding the job description, sabi ko sa sarili ko, pwede ako dito kasi may hard skill ako and may soft skill din ako, though kailangan pag-i-improve.
Dapat ko na lang i-tailor yung resume ko at saka yung cover letter ko.
Making a professional looking resume, pwede ka po pumunta sa Canva. If wala ka pong Canva account, visit the description box below kasi may link po ako doon. Pwede nyo pong gamitin yon para may free access ka po sa lahat ng mga paid features ni Canva for 30 days. Now, in making a resume, make sure po na readable po yung resume mo. Use font size na 10 to 12. Tapos, font or typeface na Times New Roman, Calibri or Calibri, Helvetica, Arial, and Verdana. Number 4 tip in making a professional resume, killer resume with or without experience is to take note of the file type. This is why I need you guys to read and understand the job description kasi madami po akong nababasa ng mga job descriptions na gusto ng client or gusto ng employer na ilagay mo siya sa Google Drive tapos yung link i-share mo lang sa kanila. May iba din na gusto nila na Google Docs yung file type ng resume mo. May ibang client din na gusto nila PDF file. Number 5 is use a professional email. Ito yung tawang-tawa ko kasi nung nag-apply ako sa HelloRage noon, yung email na nilagay ko, yung email ko pa nung high school ako. Hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin yung email na ginagamit ko sa HelloRage. Hindi siya professional. So, I highly advise guys na use professional or your business email in applying. Now, you guys, I also want to spread awareness. Sinalihan po ko freelancing or working from home groups sa Facebook and sinishare po nila yung mga experience nila with applying sa mga website, job sites. May mga experience daw sila in making resume daw, yung get in touch na part or yung details mo kung saan ka pwedeng matawagan. I-omit nyo yung date of birth, i-omit nyo din yung address. So, yung ilagay nyo lang sa get in touch, professional email ninyo, website, if may website kayo. Pwede nyo din po ilagay doon yung Skype ID. Kasi may mga scammer daw na hinahack nila yung email address mo gamit yung address mo at saka date of birth. Naglalagay din kasi sila daw ng date of birth sa resume nila. So, huwag kayong maglagay ng date of birth sa resume ninyo. Tip number 6 is to bold your target keywords. So, sa part ng resume mo na may makikita kang professional summary or about me portions, dyan po tayo maglalagay ng pitch. Ano yung mga skills natin, experience. Let's say you have 13 years of experience. I-bold nyo po yan. Tapos yung mga hard skills na meron ka. Number 7 tip is do not use abbreviations. Like for example, words like CHVA. Isi-spell out niyo po siya, Certified Healthcare Virtual Assistant. SMM, Social Media Management. Kasi hindi po lahat ng mga nagre-review ng resume nyo alam yung meaning ng mga abbreviation na ginagamit nyo. Number 8 is to feature your employment history with specific skills. So with experience, list your experience in chronological order but in reverse. Yung pinakababaw is yung pinaka-recent mo na work. Let's say for example here, na yung work experience niya is software engineer.
Kung mapapasin niyo po sa resume niya, naka-separate po yung hard skill niya. May iba kasi na makikita niyo po yung hard skills sa description ng experience niya. Kung babasahin niyo po yung description ng experience niya,
Direct software design and development, evaluates interface between hardware and software, advises customer regarding maintenance of software system. At kung mapapansin nyo, gumagamit po siya ng action verbs. Nag-start yung description niya sa work niya with an action verb. So here are the examples of the action verbs na pwede nyong gamitin. Tip number 9, it's supposed to be just 1 page, 2 pages at most.
and if jack of all trades kayo, madami kayong alam na gawin. Like for example ako, Certified Healthcare Virtual Assistant, Social Media Management, and Copywriting. Lahat po yan may iba't iba po akong resume. Para po yung resume ko hindi lalagpas ng 2 pages. Siyempre po, specific po yan kung ano po yung gusto kong applyan.
The last but not least, edit and proofread. I-edit nyo kung may mga kailangan pang i-edit, basahin nyo ulit, bago nyo i-submit. I think that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So again, if you're new here to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Click that notification bell para kapag may bagong videos ako, ikaw yung unang makakakita.
Please follow my other social media accounts for you to get a chance to be featured on my next video. Leave a comment below for your questions and suggestions, or take a screenshot of that comment, share it on your Instagram story, and tag me. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you guys on my next video. Bye, sweetlings. Take care.